So today we will study the topic Arithmetic Progression, Chapter 5 of 10th class. So an arithmetic progression AP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the previous term, except the first term, A. The fixed number D is called its common difference. So the first term is represented by the alphabet A and the common difference represented by D. So example now 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is an AP. So first we should know how that we should know to identify an AP. To identify an AP, a fixed number should be added. For example, in this sum. So to get the next term, we are adding 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So this the number you are adding, that is called common difference. Okay. And how we identify this common difference? From the second term, we subtract the first term. So A2 minus A1 gives 2. So that is a common difference. Same way from A3 minus A2 also you get common difference, and from A4 minus A3 also you get a common difference. So in this AP, the common difference is 2. Common difference can be positive, negative or 0. Example 3, 3, 3, 3 dot. It is an AP. Here common difference is 0. So A2 minus A1 equals to 0. If A is the first term and D is the common difference, then general form of the AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and this thing continues. So first term represented by A, second term A plus D, third term A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D. If A and D is given to us, that means first term and D is given to us, then next terms we can also find by a very simple logic, that is by using the definition. As the definition says that each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the previous term. Okay. So like in this example, find the first 4 terms of the AP if A is equals to 10 and D is equals to 100. So first term is given to us. Now if I want to find the second term, so what we will do? So in the first term we will add D. Our first term was 10 and D 10. So 10 plus 10, 20. So next we want to find the third term. So third term. So to find the third term, we will add D to the previous term. So my previous term was second term 20. So in 20 we add D, we will get the third term 30. To find the fourth term, we will add D to the previous term. So previous term was 30 and D is 10. So 30 plus 10, 40. So this thing continues. So in this example, if we want to find the fifth term, we will add D to the fourth term. So 40 plus 10, 50. So like this it continues. So keep in mind, in AP, first term is represented by A, common difference is represented by D. And if A and D is given, there are two ways. Either you can use this logic to find the terms or just add D to the previous term. For example, in this AP, 2, 4, 6, 8, I know common difference is 8. If I want to find the next term, so I will add 2 to 8, 8 plus 2, 10, and this thing continues. Here this is called infinite AP, but total number of terms are not given. If total number of terms are given in AP, that is called finite AP. Now let's do a few sums from exercise. So exercise 5.1, second question, second part. Here A is given and D is given to us. So A is minus 2, D is 0. So first term is given. Now we want to find the second term. So second term, to find second term, in the first term we will add D. So minus 2 plus 0, minus 2. Then third term, in the second term we will add D. So minus 2. Same way fourth term. In the third term we will add D. So minus 2 plus 0, minus 2. So the first four terms of this AP are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Now question number third, exercise 5.1. So in question number third, an AP is given and they ask us to identify the first term and the common difference. So first part, the AP is 3, 1, minus 3, dot, dot, dot. So first term is A, that is 3. Now how to find the common difference? A2 minus A1. That means 1 minus 3 equals to minus 2. Even from third term, if you subtract the second term, then also you get the common difference. Okay. So minus A3 minus A2 minus 2. Okay. So no need to find two terms. It was just to explain you that if from the next term you subtract the previous, so you get common difference. So second, AP is minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. So first term is A, minus 5, common difference. From the second term, subtract the first term. So minus 1 minus 5. So this becomes positive. Common difference is 4. Even if you from the fourth term you subtract the third term, you get common difference. Now question number fourth. Which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference and 3 more terms. So first we have to identify it forms an AP or not. So how to identify whether the list of number form an AP? We have to check the common difference of the terms given. But when you find the common difference, keep in mind from the next term you subtract the previous term. By next term I mean from the second term you will subtract first term, from the third term you will subtract second term, and from fourth term you will subtract third term. So in first the list of number is 2, 4, 8 and 16. So first term we can say A1, second term A2, so third term A3, fourth term A4. So first we find A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 was coming 2. Then we find A3 minus A2, it was coming 4, and A4 minus A3, it was coming 8. So in the terms, the common difference is not coming same, so it is not an AP. So here we have shown that A2 minus A1 not equals to A3 minus A2, not equals to A4 minus A2, so it is not an AP. Now second part, the terms are 2, 5.2, 3, 7.2. So first term A1, this term A2, this term A3 and this term A4. So again we find the common difference. So A2 minus A1. So 5.2 minus 2 coming 1.2. A3 minus A2 coming 1.2. A4 minus A3 coming 1.2. So in this case, what we have seen that the common difference is coming same. So it forms an AP. So now I want to find the next three terms. Okay, because the question is said if you find the common difference and 3 more terms. So now first four we want to find the fifth term. So to find the fifth term it is very simple, add d to the fourth term. So fourth term is 7.2 and common difference you have found here. This is a common difference, okay. So A4 plus D. So 7 plus half it becomes 8, 8.24. Then sixth term. So just keep in mind if terms are given, you want to find the next term, add d to the previous term. So A6 and to find sixth term, you will add d to the fifth term. So fifth term was 4. So 4 plus half. So when you solve it becomes 9.2. So your sixth term is 9.2. Then seventh term. So seventh term is sixth term plus d. Okay, so sixth term is 9.2, d is half. When you add them you get 5. So the next three terms are, fifth term was 4th, sixth term was 9.2, seventh term was 5. So now next question. 12th part. So your terms are root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. So first we will solve the square root. We know 8 means 4 to the 8. So root 4 equals to 2. So root 8 has changed to 2 root 2. Root 18, we know 9 to the 18. So root 9 means 3. So 3 root 2, 4 root 2. So again same thing. A1 first term, A2 second term, A3 third term, A4 fourth term. So again we find the common difference. I am not doing A1 minus A2. Keep this thing in mind. A2 minus A1, we follow the reverse order, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. So A2 minus A1, when we solve it, we get root 2. A3 minus A2, root 2. A4 minus A3, that is 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. So 4 minus 3, 1, like this way root 2. So as common difference, it is same. A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2 equals to A4 minus A3. So it is an AP. So in this case we have to find next three terms. So fifth term. To find fifth term we add d to the fourth term. So fourth term is 4 root 2. So 4 root 2 plus root 2, this is d. So 5 root 2. So A6, in the fifth term we add d. So 5 root 2 plus root 2, 6 root 2. And A7, 6 root 2 plus root 2, 7 root 2. So we have find the next three terms. So just keep in mind in AP it is the list of numbers, okay, in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the previous term. So next is 5.1, we have discussed second question, third question and fourth question. Second question we just identify A was given, D was given and we have first four terms. In the third question we identify first term and the common difference, and in the fourth question we have seen to identify whether following list of numbers are AP or not. And how we do that? We just check the common difference. Okay. I hope everyone is in good health. Take care.